Ever thought about how to make your RV weekend getaway more enjoyable and less stressful? On this Mojo review, we let you in on a little secret. The secret of meal prepping. With a little forethought, you can create delicious, easy meals that your entire family will love. First, focus on prepping ingredients that can be utilized in multiple meals. This could include chopping vegetables, cooking grains, or marinating proteins. This method not only saves time, but also maximizes space in your compact RV kitchen. Imagine waking up in the morning and having breakfast burritos at the ready. Simply stuff tortillas with scrambled eggs, cheese, and your favorite veggies or meats. Wrap them in foil, and when you're ready, heat them on the grill or in a skillet. There you have it, a quick, delicious breakfast that requires minimal effort. When lunchtime rolls around, consider simple options like sandwiches or wraps. By packing a variety of deli meats, cheeses, and condiments, along with some bread or wraps, you offer everyone the opportunity to assemble their own perfect sandwich. As the day winds down, consider a refreshing pasta salad for dinner. Cooked pasta, diced veggies, and a simple dressing can be prepared ahead of time and stored in the fridge until ready to serve. Another dinner winner is foil packet meals. These involve placing seasoned proteins, veggies, and potatoes in a foil packet and cooking them on the grill or over the campfire. This is a fantastic way to create a mess-free, hearty meal. Now, what's a getaway without snacks and treats? Remember to pack items like trail mix, granola bars, and of course, ingredients for s'mores to keep everyone satisfied between meals. To recap, by prepping versatile ingredients, creating make-ahead breakfast burritos, assembling sandwiches or wraps for lunch, and preparing pasta salad or foil packet meals for dinner, you can ensure your RV weekend getaway is filled with delicious and stress-free meals. Just don't forget those all-important snacks and treats. We hoped you enjoyed this Mojo review. What's your favorite travel prep hack? Share your knowledge and leave some insight in our comments. We hope you savor your adventure. Bon appetit!